Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the Tecno and the device you want to connect. Turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct on both devices, unlock screens, and place them close together. Once done, clear any existing pairing entries for that device in settings so you avoid conflicts. Make sure battery-saving modes are off because they can block discovery. Now open the Tecno's connectivity or Bluetooth menu and set it to visible or discoverable so the other device can detect it. Next, on the other device, initiate a scan and choose the Tecno from the results. You will see a pairing code or PIN, verify the numbers match on both screens, then confirm on each device. When a permission prompt appears, file transfer, contacts, or media, grant only what you need and tap Allow. Once paired, watch for the connection status message that says connected or paired successfully. If transferring files, use the recommended app or system share sheet to begin the transfer. To finish, perform a quick test. Send a small image or use a simple app ping to confirm data moves. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi off and on. Make sure both devices are on the same network if using Wi-Fi direct. If that doesn't work, reboot both devices and try deleting or forgetting the pairing and reconnecting. As a key troubleshooting tip, update Tecno's system and clear Bluetooth or connectivity app cache. Outdated firmware often blocks reliable pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.